Hello, welcome back. My life is Math Learn channel.
Today we will discuss about integration using substitution method. Integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log of mod f of x base e plus c. If integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to, let f of x is equal to t, f dash of x dx is equal to dt. F dash of x dx is equal to dt. So dt by f of x means t by t. So the formula logarithm of t mod t plus c, that is equal to log of mod of f of x base e plus c. Next problem solving. Integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to logarithm of mod f of x base e plus c. So let's do the problem solving. Integral of secant square x by 3 plus tan x. Let tan x is equal to f of x. So f dash of x is equal to secant square x. So the secant square x is a f dash of x and tan x is a f of x. So f dash of x by 3 plus f of x dx. So by the linear equation formula we can apply. So logarithm of base e 3 plus f of x, that is equal to logarithm of base e 3 plus f of x means tan x plus c. Solve the next problem. Integral of e power x minus e power minus x by e power x plus e power minus x dx. F of x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. The differentiation of both functions, f dash of x is equal to e power x minus e power minus x, and integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to integral of log of mod f of x by base e plus c. So there is equal to, here f of x means e power x plus e power minus x. So log of mod e power x plus e power minus x base e plus c. Next, third problem. Integral of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. First tan convert into the sin and cos. So 1 minus sin x by cos x whole by 1 plus sin x by cos x. Take the LCM. We will get cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x by cos x after taking LCM. Here cos x cancel. You will get integral of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x dx. Here f of x is equal to cos x plus sin x. F dash of x is equal to minus sin x plus cos x. So it is cos x minus sin x. So integral of f dash of x by f of x dx, there is equal to log of mod f of x plus c. So here f of x is equal to cos x plus sin x. So log of mod of cos x plus sin x plus c, our final output. Let's move to the next problem. Integral of 1 by e power 1 plus e power minus x dx. Change the e power minus x 1 by e power x. So integral of 1 by 1 plus 1 by e power x dx is equal to LCM. Integral of 1 by e power x plus 1 by e power x. E power x will get the numerator. Integral of e power x by e power x plus 1 dx. So f of x is equal to e power x plus 1. F dash of x is equal to e power x. So next, integral of e power x by e power x plus 1 dx is equal to f dash of x by f of x, because e power x plus 1 is f of x, f dash of x e power x dx. Next, the answer, the formula log mod f of x, that is equal to log of e power x plus 1 plus c. Let's move into next problem. Integral of x plus 1 by x whole power 3 by 2 x square minus 1 by x square dx. The formula strategy, integral of f dash of x whole power n dx is equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So here x plus 1 by x is equal to f of x and f dash of x is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square. So here f of x is the x plus 1 by x, so f of x whole power 3 by 2, and x square minus 1 by x square we can write as x square by x square minus 1 by x square, there is equal to 1 minus 1 by x square, means f dash of x. So here f dash of x, so x square minus 1 by x square is the f dash of x dx. So the formula f of x whole power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, there is equal to f of x 5 by 2, f of x whole power 5 by 2 whole by 5 by 2 there plus c, there is equal to f of x means x plus 1 by x, so x plus 1 by x whole power 5 by 2 whole by 5 by 2 plus c, there is equal to 2 by 5 into x plus 1 by x whole power 5 by 2 plus c. Next problem, so you can solve. I will give the trick. What is the f of x? What is the f dash of x? Homework problems. Integral of square root of 2 plus log x by x, there is equal to f of x is the 2 plus log x, f dash of x is the 1 by x. So square root of x is the right as 2 plus log x whole power 1 by 2. You will get the answer. Next, second problem. Integral of sin inverse of x whole power whole cube by 1 minus x square, square root of 1 minus x square dx. Here f of x is equal to sin inverse of x and f dash of x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. You have to solve. And integral of cot x by square root of sin x dx. I can give the just a hint for this question. Look, cot x write as a cos x by sin x, square root of sin x write as like this only. So cos x by sin x into it is a sin x root x, sin x means sin x whole power 3 by 2. So f of x is sin x and f dash of x is cos x. So you can solve yourself. Sin x whole power minus 3 by 2 you have to write and you will get the formula.